Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, the home of the coolest and most exciting gadgets from around the world. If you love discovering unique inventions that make your daily life smarter and more fun, you're in for a treat today. We've gathered 5 must-have gadgets that are guaranteed to blow your mind. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Niimbot D110. This mini thermal label printer is a creative powerhouse that fits right in your pocket. The Niimbot D110 connects via Bluetooth to your phone and prints high-quality self-adhesive stickers without using any ink. With the free Niimbot app, you get access to more than 60 fonts, 12 languages, and 400+ border styles. You can even design labels with barcodes, QR codes, logos, tables, and images directly from your phone. It's compact, wireless, and incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for labeling home supplies, office files, cosmetics, jars, or even jewelry tags. A smart way to stay organized while keeping things stylish. Number 4. LENCENT 65-watt adapter. Traveling internationally just got a serious upgrade. The LENCENT 65-watt adapter is the ultimate universal GAN travel charger that supports EU, UK, USA, and AUS plugs in one sleek cube. With its 2 USB-A and 3 Type-C ports, you can charge up to 6 devices at once, from phones and tablets to laptops and cameras. It delivers up to 65 watts of fast charging power, thanks to GAN technology that keeps it small yet powerful. Built-in safety protection and a 10A fuse make it reliable for global travel. At just 226 grams, this little adapter is a must-have companion for digital nomads and frequent flyers. Number 3. ROCKBROS Bike Rack. Meet the ROCKBROS Bike Rack, an electric suction cup roof rack that takes bike transport to the next level. Built from strong aluminum alloy, it uses advanced electromechanical suction technology to attach firmly to your car's roof. No tools or drilling required. Its powerful suction cups automatically maintain pressure and even include a built-in alarm that alerts you if the vacuum weakens during travel. It's IP65 waterproof, rechargeable, and can hold up to 3 bikes securely. Whether it's hot, rainy, or snowy, this roof rack keeps your bike safe and stable. Perfect for cycling enthusiasts who love long road trips. Number 2. Baseus 100-watt charger. If you love powerful charging solutions, you'll love the Baseus 100-watt charger. This sleek, futuristic car charger comes with dual Type-C retractable cables and 4 total ports, capable of powering laptops, tablets, and phones all at once. It supports USB PD and Qualcomm Quick Charge protocols, ensuring ultra-fast charging for every device. The unique 450 degrees rotating head makes it easy to plug in from any angle, while the cosmic black finish gives it a premium high-tech vibe. Lightweight yet powerful, this Baseus charger is built for those who multitask on the road and need reliable power without clutter. Number 1. Handlebar rear mirror. Safety meets innovation with the Handlebar rear mirror, a 4.3-inch 1080p rechargeable bike rear view camera and display system. Forget traditional mirrors. This smart camera provides real-time monitoring of the road behind you on a crisp, high-definition screen. It features a 150-degree wide-angle lens, night vision capability, and IP68 waterproof protection. The 5,000 mAh built-in battery offers hours of continuous use, and the setup is tool-free. Just plug, mount, and ride. The 360-degree adjustable bracket ensures you always have the perfect view, no matter your bike type. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling mountain trails, this gadget guarantees a safer, smarter, and more enjoyable ride. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.